my car will not start. It will crank. It will crank. We'll try to crank. It will try to get going, and then that's it. But I have the check engine light on. So let's connect the scanner and see what it is. So over the port underneath the steering column, I'll plug in my trusty Craftsman scan tool. 627 fuel pump module. Come on, fuel pump control circuit open. So we're gonna put a new fuel pump. There's two fuel pumps in this car. One of them a high pressure and the other one will be a low pressure. So the fuel pump is underneath the seat. Unclip the bottom portion of the back seat. You pull up, and then there's a hook right here. Push back, and then we just pull up. Then we're gonna take this off. And there you go. We're gonna vacuum all this dirt before we open it, so none of the garbage falls into the gas tank. So once it's clean, we're gonna disconnect the harness. Okay, now we just gotta disconnect this line. So all right, Jesus. I don't know where I struggle a lot with this clip. All right. Oh shoot. So there's a little gas. Let me get a rag very quick. I guess we go tight, left. So we're gonna push it down. Let's see what happens. Start with this. There you go. So little couple whacks, pops right off. So have a tray. I know it's dirty. Let's see. My gas tank has half a tank, so thank God it was not full. Otherwise, gonna be spilling a lot of gas. All right, so yeah, I am gonna spill gas no matter what I do. Oh boy. There you go. There you go. That's the line. So we're gonna disconnect it. Looks like there's a sensor in there, so we're gonna make sure don't disconnect it. Let's unplug it from here. All right, so now it's not, there's no tension. Oh shoot. Okay, it's still there. Okay, we're not losing that one, so that's good. And then there you go, plug it in. There you go. Comes off. I'll leave that. And then let's take this off. Little recap. For the new pump, you have to transfer the old or the existing level sensor that is going to go into this slot. It slides down, and then it connects to this harness right here. So make sure you don't damage the sensor, because you're going to reuse it. And this is not aftermarket. This pump is actually a OEM, so I got it from the dealership. So again, if you're gonna replace a fuel pump, make sure you're safe, or if you break it, make sure you get a level sensor to install with a fuel pump. So I'm just gonna transfer it, plug it back in, and then reinstall it and to the gas tank. So here we go. Do have the O-ring, so I'm gonna take the old one out. Pretty sure the O-ring was fine, but do not want to leak, so might as well just replace it. So we need to get the line connected to it, and then the harness. So let's plug this thing first. So this one was plugged in here. Alright, split, make sure it doesn't come off. Don't come off, and then it was routed this route. So now the down's routed, let's go. There you go. I hear both of the clicks. Holding the line secure. Sensor lever's in there, and then we're just gonna slide it slowly. Be careful with the wires. Don't force it in. Slowly going in. All right, it's in. So press it down. All right, it's in. In. Okay, twist it, and then it's barely locking, so it's holding. Now we're just gonna whack it, and it should go in place. It's in it. All right, it's all the way in. I remember there was almost no gap in here, so should be good. Now let's just reconnect the line. All right. And then, last but not least, we connect. Just lock in place. All right. So, before I start anything, I'm not gonna put the seat back on. I'm gonna turn the switch ignition on just to pressurize the system, and then try to start it before. Make sure I don't have to reopen it, forgot, or whatever reason is. So. All right, let's get going. All right, after I verify that it starts, we're gonna put it back in. So make sure you remove your garbage. Make sure all the connectors are plugged in before you in. Wipe down any gasoline. Get the cover. It only goes one way. It tells you which way it goes. So wait, there you go. So the arrow goes forward to the front of the car, so it goes right like that. So I have my 4 screws. It's an 8mm socket, so and that's it. It's a clip here, it's a clip here, and then that's it. Brand new. Seats are in there. And let's go for a test drive. Ignition on now. Gasoline level is on, so that's good. I'm gonna cycle the key one more time. And it started right up. So that was it. The fuel pump actually went out. My current mileage is 123,000 miles, 123,500 miles. So I guess I got my money's worth with the fuel pump. So if you have this issue, please check your history and see if the fuel pump has been replaced. Other than that, I'm Diego, and I hope this video found you helpful. And if you liked the video, if you want to check out more videos that I have in my channel, please subscribe, and see you to the next one.